Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure, what do you need?
Where is the train station?
It's over there, next to the bank.
Oh, I see. Is it far from here?
No, it's about a 5-minute walk.
Great. Do I go straight and then turn left?
Yes, exactly. Go straight, then turn left at the traffic light.
Perfect. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Are you traveling today?
Yes, I have a train at 3 o'clock.
Then you have plenty of time. Don't worry.
That's good to hear. Thanks again.
No problem. Have a safe trip.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Take care.
Good morning, doctor.
Good morning. Please have a seat. What seems to be the problem?
I've been having a headache since yesterday.
I see. Do you have a fever as well?
Yes, a little. I also feel very tired.
Don't worry. It looks like you have the flu. I'll give you some medicine.
Thank you, doctor. How long will it take to get better?
With rest and medicine, you should feel better in 3 to 4 days.
Okay. Should I avoid anything?
Yes. Drink plenty of water, eat light food, and get enough sleep.
Thank you so much, doctor.
You're welcome. Take care and get well soon. Hello? Is this the phone repair shop?
Yes, how can I help you?
My phone is not working properly.
Okay, what problem are you facing?
The screen freezes and the battery drains very fast.
I see. Can I check your phone?
Sure, here it is.
The battery is weak, and the software needs an update.
Can you fix it?
Yes, I will replace the battery and update the phone.
How long will it take?
About 1 hour.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Please come back after 1 hour.
Hello, I'm back. Is my phone ready?
Yes, your phone is fixed.
Great! What was the problem?
The battery was weak, and I updated the software.
Thank you. How much do I need to pay?
It's $50.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you. Please check your phone.
It's working perfectly now.
I'm glad. If you have any problem again, just visit us.
Sure, thanks a lot. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a nice day.
Excuse me, does this bus go to the city center?
Yes, it does.
How much is the ticket?
It's $2. You can pay the driver.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice trip.
Good morning, Sarah. You're up early today.
Good morning. Yes, I woke up because the sunrise looked so beautiful.
I know. It's winter, but the sun looked warm today. Did you see the colors?
Yes, the sky was pink, orange, and a little bit purple. It felt magical.
Winter sunrises are my favorite. The air is cold, but the light feels soft.
Exactly. I stepped outside for a minute. The air was freezing, but it felt refreshing.
Did you notice the mist this morning? It made everything look calm.
Yes, I did. The trees looked like they were covered in a light fog. So peaceful.
Winter mornings make me want a hot cup of tea.
Same here. I'm actually making some ginger tea. Do you want some?
Of course, that's perfect for cold mornings like this.
Winter days can be chilly, but moments like this make it enjoyable.
True. A beautiful sunrise, fresh air, and hot tea. Great way to start the day.
Let's sit by the window and enjoy the sunlight while it lasts.
Yes, let's go. Winter mornings don't stay bright for long.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I'd like to send this package to Canada, please.
Sure. Could you place it on the scale, please?
Of course. Here it is.
Thank you. Let me check the weight. Okay, it's 1.2 kilograms. Would you like standard or express delivery?
What's the difference?
Standard takes about 10 days and express takes 3 to 5 days, but costs more.
I'll choose express delivery, please.
Great. Please fill out this shipping form with the address and your contact details.
All right. Done.
Perfect. The total cost is $28.
Here's my card.
Thank you. Here's your receipt. Your package will be delivered in about 4 days.
That's great. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Oh my gosh, John, is that you?
Sarah! Wow, it's been so long. How have you been?
I've been great, thanks. How about you?
I'm good too. I can't believe it's been 3 years.
Yes, the last time we met was in college.
Right, those were such fun days.
I miss those days so much.
Me too. What are you doing these days?
I'm working at a company now. What about you?
I started my own small business last year. It's going well.
That's amazing, John. I'm so happy for you.
Thanks, Sarah. We should catch up properly sometime.
Definitely. Let's have coffee this weekend.
Sounds perfect. See you then.
See you. Take care, my friend.
You too, Sarah. Bye.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm fine. What are you doing?
I'm studying English.
That's great. Keep it up.
Thank you. What about you?
I'm just relaxing at home.
Oh, nice. Did you have lunch?
Yes, I had pasta. What about you?
Not yet. I'll eat soon.
Okay, are you free tomorrow?
Yes, after 4 p.m.
Perfect. Let's meet at the park
Sounds good. What time?
at 5 o'clock.
Okay, see you then.
Great. See you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye. Take care.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course. What are you looking for?
I want to buy some cosmetics.
Sure. What kind of cosmetics do you need?
I need a face cream and a lipstick.
Okay. Do you have a favorite brand?
I like Maybelline. Do you have it?
Yes, we do. Here are some Maybelline lipsticks.
Oh, nice. I like this red one. How much is it?
It's $12.
That's good. And the face cream?
This one is $20. It's very popular.
Great. I'll take both.
Perfect. Anything else?
No, that's all. Where is the cashier?
Just over there, near the exit.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Bye.
Hello. Can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for a t-shirt.
What size do you need?
Medium, please.
Here you go. Do you want to try it on?
Yes, where is the fitting room?
It's over there on the left.
Thank you. Excuse me, do you have this in blue?
Yes, we do. Would you like to buy it?
Yes, I'll take the blue one. How much is it?
It's $25.
Okay, I'll take it.